You have been trying to manifest from a place of biological static. I want you to understand why your affirmations haven't worked yet. It is not because you aren't worthy, and it is not because you aren't trying hard enough. In fact, you've been trying too hard. The problem is a simple, mechanical misalignment. Your brain is signaling wealth, but your heart is broadcasting survival. These two signals are canceling each other out, creating a chaotic electromagnetic field that the quantum field simply cannot read. I call this the Coherence Glitch. And today, I am going to show you how to resolve it. Close your eyes and let the weight of your expectations drop to the floor. We are not here to visualize money. We are here to rewire the neural pathways between your chest and your mind. I want you to bring your internal attention to the center of your chest. Don't look for your heartbeat. Look for the space around your heart. Imagine your heart as a powerful, radiant, white terminal. It is the most powerful generator of electricity in your body. Now, imagine your brain as a receiver. Currently, there is noise on the line. There is the static of how, the static of when, and the static of not yet. I want you to breathe into your heart, but do it slowly. 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out. As you do this, you are manually forcing your nervous system into a state of coherence. You are telling your biology that the war is over. Notice how the tension in your jaw begins to melt. That tension was the physical manifestation of your scarcity. Let it go. Now, imagine a thin, golden thread of light connecting the center of your heart to the very center of your brain. As this connection stabilizes, the static begins to clear. The searching muscle in your head finally stops. You are no longer a person trying to get somewhere. You are becoming a unified broadcasting station. For the first time, your heart and your brain are speaking the same language. And that language is not "I want." That language is "I am." Feel the relief of this synchronization. It feels like a hum. It feels like an expensive, well-tuned machine finally clicking into gear. The struggle was never necessary. You only needed coherence. Stay in this alignment. The frequency of absolute wealth is not a number. It is this exact feeling of internal stillness. You are now ready to begin the rewiring. Now that your heart and brain are synchronized, we are entering the phase of deep neural remapping. I want you to see your neural network as a map of roads. Most of those roads, until now, have led to the same exhausted destinations. Not enough, too difficult, or maybe later. Today, we are closing those routes permanently. Imagine that golden, viscous liquid rising from your heart, traveling up that silver thread and flooding your brain. This is not a mere visualization. This is a bioelectric command to your synapses to start firing in a new rhythm. The old pathways of scarcity are going dark. The new pathways of absolute wealth are lighting up. Notice the shift in your neural architecture. You are becoming a match for the frequency of abundance. Not because you wish for it, but because it is the only signal your brain is now wired to recognize. Wealth is no longer an external event you are waiting for. Wealth is now your bioelectric baseline. Your heart is now broadcasting a single decree. I have. Your brain responds with a single confirmation. I see. In this state of total coherence, you no longer look for opportunities. You emit them. You have become a quantum magnet that can no longer be ignored by the field of infinite possibilities. Feel the weight of this gold in your limbs. Feel the absolute peace that arrives. when you realize your biology has finally been upgraded. You are no longer the hunter. You are the destination. Every cell in your body is now vibrating with the frequency already done. Stay in this space of total silence for a few more moments. Allow this new coherence to become your permanent operating system. You are not returning to the old world. You are opening your eyes to a world that has been reorganized, specifically around your new frequency. If you feel that your nervous system is ready to lock this signal in permanently, your next step is waiting. For those ready to exert total biological dominance over their financial reality, I have placed the quantum magnet protocol in the description below. It is the architectural blueprint for your new biology. To ensure this coherence remains your baseline throughout the day, your next destination is the Source Path playlist. Play it immediately after this session to cement these new neural pathways. You are now coherent. You are now the source. It is done. It is yours. Welcome home.